Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Lisa, and in this video, I just wanted to share something that one of my clients recently got, actually just yesterday, from her soon-to-be ex-husband. And they have a court battle going on right now over custody of a child that is under the age of 2. So I just wanted to read, this is with her permission, I'm leaving out anything that is identifying, but they're having to communicate through the family courts, which is great because that means every single thing is seen by both sides, by the attorneys and also by the judge. And when I saw this, I just thought, oh my gosh, I cannot even believe that's like classic narcissist. So I'm just going to read this to you guys. And again, I'm leaving out the identifying information, and this was done with permission. So what he writes is this: I just want to be clear that I am really sorry in advance for what's coming next in the trial. As you know, I've done everything in my capacity to avoid litigating this situation, but I feel I've been left with no choice. Okay, as a side note, he's the one who began the litigation, not my client. Unfortunately, this is your trial, and if we're to proceed, I'm required to contest you. It's going to prove extraordinarily expensive for both sides, and I will be forced to call a lot of your conduct into question. I want you to understand it's not my intention to belittle you or damage your image in front of the family court, but I do think it's important that they're presented with the facts and shown how they conflict with your claims. You're really not going to appreciate what's coming, but it is what it is. It's your trial, and you asked for it. Oh my God. I suspect that regardless of the outcome, this trial will be destructive to any sort of co-parenting relationship that otherwise could be. I also want to apologize in advance if and when this doesn't go your way. It is my hope that you have a backup plan in place beyond continuing to attempt to retain primary custody with our son. What you've effectively done is open the court to deciding the custody of our child. That doesn't inherently just mean the move away order. That means overall. As a side note, my client is wanting to move states away from this abuser who has been proven to be abusive, both physically, mentally, emotionally, basically every single way. You have so much to lose. And based on the arguments that you've presented, I just want to prepare you for that probability. I know you're in a somewhat challenged mental state, and I don't want the outcome of the trial to be what pushes you over the edge. Oh my God. Again, I'm really sorry to do this, but it's your trial. I have to. I'm advocating for our son. I clearly can't afford to be gentle with you anymore and continue to conceal your misconduct. It is not my business to protect you now. And I really thought that there was a way to keep from getting you into some sort of trouble while we reached an agreement. But it appears you've decided against that. So please try not to take offense as we present the uncensored fact. And the trial goes very south very quickly. Oh my God. So did you hear the gaslighting, the veiled threats, the projection, and how there was really nothing in this that was about the well-being of the child?